Hi, my name is Steve with Snap Delivered. Now I know that as a restaurant owner, you're a very busy person. So in respect to that, I'm going to keep this really short. In just the next few minutes, you'll know who we are, what we do, how we can drive more loyal customers to your restaurant, and increase your bottom line without you making any investments or changes to your day-to-day operations. So here we go. Snap Delivered is a new food delivery platform who figured out how to do delivery better. Restaurant owners are tired of being nickeled and dimed and having their margins eaten up by these third-party delivery apps. So we fixed that problem with a low flat rate service and a cashback program that can actually turn your delivery expense into a new profit center for your restaurant. For starters, restaurants using Snap Delivered only pay a flat $2 per delivery, regardless of the size of the order. We do not charge percentages like the others. There are no activation fees, no contracts, and no exclusivity required. When you experience the savings over other delivery apps, you'll want all your order out customers to bring you their business through Snap Delivered. Here's an example. One of our new restaurant partners sent us her weekly invoice with one of the big delivery apps. Her restaurant did 192 orders for the week with gross sales of $6,944. The fee she had to pay for those deliveries was $2,559. With Snap Delivered, those same 192 orders would only cost her $384, a total savings of around $9,000 per month. But it gets even better. If you share Snap Delivered with your customers and they download the app with your referral ID, that customer is hard-coded to your restaurant, and we will pay you $1 every time they order from any restaurant in our network, in perpetuity. Imagine that, getting paid when your customer orders food from another restaurant. We've made it really easy to share Snap Delivered with rack cards, QR codes, table tents, social posts, website downloads, etc. Your customers can get set up with Snap Delivered in a snap, all pun intended. Also, if you have delivery drivers coming into your restaurant to pick up orders from other delivery apps that you're using, you can hand them a simple flyer. And if that driver downloads the app with your referral ID, you get 20 cents for every delivery they do in perpetuity. And one more thing, if you know other restaurant owners and you refer them to Snap Delivered, you earn 40 cents for every delivery that goes out their door for as long as they use Snap Delivered to deliver their food. This passive, frictionless revenue stream to your restaurant can quickly add up, making a significant contribution to your retirement. Or you can use this new revenue source to hire more people, add into your marketing budget to further expand your customer base, or maybe you can use it for bonuses for your employees. It's up to you. Here's the bottom line. Snap Delivered is helping restaurants stay in business with a low flat $2 per delivery rate, and they're taking 60% of their profits and injecting it back into the local community to support and reward the restaurants, drivers, customers, and local organizations who use and share the Snap Delivered app. This is what drives loyalty to Snap Delivered, because the restaurants, drivers, customers, and local organizations are owners too. Below this video, you'll see a short and simple registration form. Once you complete that, we will submit your info to our platform and contact you to complete the onboarding process. Our goal is to make your experience with Snap Delivered as simple and profitable as possible. Again, complete the registration form below, and we look forward to bringing tremendous value to your bottom line, to your customers, and to our community. Welcome to Snap Delivered.